Okay, welcome to the first day of the UK lockdown sneaker showcase. Today we're here with the Yeezy 305v2 cream whites, and they released on the 21st of September 2018 for a price of around £180, and these were probably the first shoe that I collected, that I picked up, and it's pretty much what started my whole collection, my passion for sneakers, and I haven't worn them since then. They have been worn once and have been slightly scuffed up, got a bit dirty, but I have to say this is probably one of my favourite shoes that Kanye has released. It's the cleanest colourway, all white, perfect for summer, and it's probably my favourite. As you can see, I picked these up in a size 8, and they are a triple white colourway with a white upper, white laces, and a slightly off-white bottom with a little detailing at the back. And yeah, these are such a clean colourway. Probably why I haven't worn them so much, because I'm too afraid to get them dirty. Well, more than they are. But yeah, this is a Yeezy cream white 350s from 2018, September 21st.